Hello, welcome back. And welcome to our room. We are enjoying the Majestic Elegance Resort so much, and we wanted to go ahead and show you our room. We have the junior suite with the garden view. It's been awesome. When you walk in, you see our gorgeous and big bathroom. We have a big jacuzzi tub to enjoy, and then a separate shower and toilet with his and her sinks, which is my absolute favorite part of this bathroom because don't have to fight over the sink. It's so great.
You have a few more things than I do.
Just a few more things.
There's mine and there's yours.
And then we have our his and her closet. Yeah, it's great. You have tons of space in the closet area. You have some drawers here, some under storage, plenty of room to like store your suitcase. There is a scale. Why the hell would you want that? I don't know. No one needs to count calories on vacation. And then you make your way into the main room, and we have a mini kitchenette, which is supplied with your own Nespresso machine, coffee maker, hot water, with teas and coffees and snacks. And then you do get a little mini fridge, which is always stocked with sodas, waters. Get a nice big TV. Get like a little mini bar seating area, which just like maybe a half hour ago, they gave us a little complimentary snack. Yeah, we have a little control center here to control the air, the fan, the lighting. So you can just turn on and off the lighting here. And you have 24-hour room service as well. We have not used that.
Not yet.
It's our last night. I don't know. We might. Yeah, it's just like a really nice vibe in here. It's very relaxing, very open. It's nice and modern. Yeah. Big old king bed. I was able to request some memory foam pillow as well as the other really comfortable pillows we have. So that was really sweet. This is the base level room facing the garden. They have other amazing room options with swim-up pools, rooftop pools, 2 floor rooms. So choose your own adventure here. And actually this time they gave us complimentary beach bags, which we've used every day. And then we get here to this beautiful balcony. Has a little seating area on my left here. Yeah, we're drying out some clothes now. We have a beautiful tub here and a little day bed if you want to indulge with that. This is the garden view. I mean, there's no neighbors next door, which is really nice because we've been to resorts where the accompanying next door resort is like pretty loud and obnoxious sometimes. So it's really been peaceful. So we have like the bay on this side, ocean, turquoise ocean waters on this side. This is our second time here, and after our first visit, we knew we wanted to come back. The value that you get for the accommodations, the entertainment, the hospitality here, the workers here work so hard, and there's always a smile on their face. They're really genuinely always happy to help you, and it just feels great to be around people like that. So it won't be our last time here. And that's our junior suite garden view tour, and you should come here.